AI-ML-based condition monitoring for roads provides an AI-ML-powered solution for analyzing and managing road conditions efficiently. The solution is designed to process road footage captured from any GPS-enabled camera, making it a highly flexible solution for various use cases. The processing of the videography enables the user to have a virtual drive-over of the project with Chainage, videography with frame-by-frame defect detections, and videography with frame-by-frame asset detections. The video is mapped with the Chainage and the GIS mapping of the same is done, enabling a map view. The playback speed of the video can also be adjusted to analyze footage at any preferred Chainage or time. Users can click on View ML Defect Video to see the footage with defect detections. Similarly, clicking on View ML Asset Video will display the footage highlighting road assets. Additionally, periodic inspection will also give you a comparison video along with a variance report to plan and assess actions. The solution automatically identifies and categorizes road assets, mapping them clearly with Chainage. The dashboard also provides a categorized listing of ML-identified assets. For example, a go-slow signboard is categorized as a signboard go-slow and the direction board as signboard direction board. Similarly, ML-identified road defects are GIS mapped with Chainage. Users can apply single or multiple filters to find specific defects. The Management Analysis Dashboard provides an overview of the entire project or multiple projects at one place as per the requirement. The categorization and subcategorization can also be customized as per the requirement. The results from here can then be mapped with the maintenance cycle for actual maintenance of both the pavement and the asset defects. In the ML Issue Analysis section, all the identified defects are displayed. Users can click on any specific defect to explore its subcategories. For a deeper dive, clicking on the subcategory will display a detailed list. In the ML Asset Analysis section, a categorized list of detected assets is available. Users can click on a specific asset to view its subcategory details. For further details, clicking on the subcategory provides a comprehensive list of that particular asset. Thank you. Please get in touch with us to get started.